told you so.
Welcome back to my channel. This is a very impromptu video. It is currently around 11:37 and I was just working on my homework and I checked my email and I saw that I had a package to pick up from my residence hall, so I immediately went to my residence hall and I was not expecting to get these packages. As you can tell, I have this big one right here, and then I have this mini one, or medium-sized package that I will be unboxing for you on camera. Please, give this video a thumbs up if you like these impromptu videos that are not planned and are kind of spontaneous, and be sure to comment down below what year you are in school right now, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure you subscribe. Click clicking the red button down below and check out all my links to my podcast, my blog, my channel merch. All that will be linked in the description, so you can check that all out. And with that, let's get on into this unboxing. Both of these are from Amazon. I did order a couple things a couple weeks ago, but I didn't think they would come in this fast, or this might be something from someone else. So it is a care package from my mom. If you did not know, I'm currently filming this February 12th, and it is 2 days before Valentine's Day, and it is a gift from my mom. My mom is Robin Hodges, if you did not know. This is a gift from Robin Hodges. So Mom, if you're watching this, thank you. So she sent me a 3-pack of Mike and Ike's, which, if you did not know, Mike and Ike's are my all-time favorite candy, so I will definitely be eating these. So thank you so much, Mom. I was not at all expecting this. She did not tell me this was coming in the mail. This is all being opened up for the first time, and she also sent me this package, so I'm going to open up that and see what this is. It says Joy in Valentine's Day wooden top. So it's probably like a Valentine's Day decor item. I think I just ripped it. Okay. And it's all in bubble wrap, so I will be playing with that later. Oh my goodness, it's hard to get out. Okay. So put that in there. Oh, so they're like little wooden blocks that have Valentine's Day stuff on it. So that one has like a heart in the middle. This one has an E, so I'm guessing it spells out love. Or, oh, I think the heart is the L. So let me try to spell it out. Oh my goodness, this is so thoughtful. Thank you so much, Mom, if you're watching this. Here, I'll move the camera so you guys can see a little bit better. It says love, and as you watch all my videos. But thank you so much, Mom. I will definitely be eating these Mike and Ike's, and I will definitely use these to decorate my room. So for my final package, this is a really big package, and I have ordered some stuff on Amazon, but I have not ordered anything that would need to be in this big of a package. So we're just gonna open it up and see what it is. And it is, oh, it's a sleeping bag. Okay, so there's actually a good explanation to this. One second. I see another card. It is from my mom, so it's another Amazon gift from my mom. Thanks, Mom. And it is a Coleman sleeping bag. And the reason why I have a sleeping bag is because this weekend with my friends and some people from the organization I'm a part of on campus called CSF, we're going on a winter retreat, and we're going to be staying in cabins at this campsite. And I forgot to bring my sleeping bag to college, and I did not think I would need one, but once I saw the packing list for winter retreat, I had to pick one up, and I asked my mom if she could send one to come in before Friday when we leave. So it's just a basic blue sleeping bag, and it's very, 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 very soft, so I think it'll be nice to sleep with instead of dirty cots that cabins usually have. But other than that, I think that is gonna be it for today's unboxing. I'm very thankful for all this stuff, and I'm very thankful to have my sweet mom that cares for me and loves for me so much to send me stuff that I need, and even things like this that I did not expect at all. So thank you so much, Mom, if you're watching this. I appreciate you and everything that you do to support me in college. And with that, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this impromptu video. I did not actually plan on filming today, but I saw that I had a package and I had to go pick it up, and I really wanted to document to you guys what I picked up and what I received in the mail. Hello everyone, to add to my package unboxing video, it's about an hour later since I filmed my last clip, but I got another email and I have another package, so I just went to go pick it up and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So I ordered on Amazon a couple days ago a keyboard and mouse because my dad is sending to the dorms his old monitor that he doesn't use, and I'm basically gonna put this in my dorm, and every time I want to watch something on a bigger screen, I'm just gonna hook up my computer to the monitor and I'll be able to work, either do homework there or if I want a bigger screen to watch shows. And as you can tell, it's just a mouse and a keyboard, and I can just hook it up to whatever the monitor comes with. And so yeah, that's it for the unboxing. And yeah, so thank you for watching this clip. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want more impromptu videos like this. They're very fun and spontaneous to film. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure you subscribe by clicking the red button down below. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.